This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2023 Hot Rod and Custom Jamboree by Wheels of Time. They're a great club. And I promised you that I check out this beautiful Caddy because today we're doing all customs and hot rods. This is just sitting here. The body work is good, nothing fantastic. It's got a lot of original bits in it. Beautiful. I love the skirts. It really adds to the look of the car. I'm going to zoom back. Is that nice? I like it. I love the little kickback. Before the fins went absolute crazy. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. I really enjoy these. Really something special. One thing which I want to get down to. Look at that crazy face. Ah! You'll never look at that tail light again without thinking of the screen. Love the vent windows front and rear. That was the air conditioning up until the advent of the AC, which really came through in the 60s. Beautiful. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and promote your events. I'll see you at the shows.
My brother Bob.